If you are tired of default Roblox cursor and want to give your game a more personalized look, you are in right place. In this quick video, I will show you how to change your Roblox cursor and wallpaper using a simple browser extension. You can choose from ready-made design and even create your own custom one. So let's jump right into it. Just head over to official website, that is ROCustomize.pro, and click Get ROCustomize. This will ask you to download it. Specify the download location and click on Save. Once the download is completed, click on these three dots on the top right corner, and we want to navigate to Extension and then Manage Extension. On the extension page, please make sure you have turned on the developer mode. Here, just drag and drop this extension on the extension page to get installed. Once the extension installation is complete, let's pin the extension first. Click over the extension, enable it, and then we want to go to Open Roblox. Log in with your Roblox account. Once logged in, you could use a variety of cursor here, and also if you want, you could just go ahead and change the background. Let's try the star cursor, and here you could see my cursor is updated to the star color. Let's click on the extension again and go to Mine button. Here we could also add customize cursor and the wallpaper. First, let me choose the wallpaper. Let's see how this looks. I've added the perfect customized wallpaper on my Roblox. And let's go and choose cursor here. And here you go. Here you could see I've changed my cursor to my channel logo. Perfect. So that's it about today's quick video on how to customize your Roblox experience or how to personalize your Roblox cursor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.